Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be trying out KADS Geometry 016 stamping plate. And let's peel off the blue protective film. Now let's start using this. By the way, I already applied a liquid latex around the skin of my nails. So first, I'm using a blue stamping polish. Then I'm using gray. Then black. Then I'm applying it with white. Then blue again. And then gray. Then I did all of my nails. And now let's do the cleanup. I totally recommend you to use a liquid latex for this kind of nail art for an easier cleanup. Then let's add top coat. And we're done! If you want to try out this stamping plate, the link is available on the description box below. And don't forget to use my 10% discount coupon code at kadsnailart.com. It's KADS honeycrunch321. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!